So what we've just done in the previous example was we solved an equation with 3 variables. So let's recap what we've just figured out. Okay? So how to solve equations that have 3 variables in them. 3 variables. Remember, variables are like letters that represent a value, like x and y, a, b, c's. Okay, so let's, for our example, examine these 3 equations here. Remember, to solve an equation that has 3 variables, we're going to need 3 equations. Okay, so here's our first one. A equals b plus 5, c equals 3b, and let's also give you that a plus b plus c is equal to 40. Okay, so if we have 3 variables, a, b, and c, you need 3 equations in order to solve it. Okay, so let's say our goal is to solve for b. Okay, so how to solve for b? Okay. So here we have the variables a, b, and c. If we have substitute for a and c, we just might be able to find b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this value in for a, going to put this value in for c. Okay, so as a review, this is what we're going to do. In order to solve for an equation that has 3 variables, you need 3 equations. If you are going to solve for an equation that has 4 variables, you will need 4 equations. That's the way it goes. So, step 2, we are going to combine the 3 equations into 1 equation. So, combine the equations into 1 equation. Okay. So here we're going to do this second step by substituting a and c into the third equation. Okay. So we're going to put b plus 5 in for a. We're going to put 3b in for c. Okay. So let's rewrite it as b plus 5 plus b plus 3b plus 3b is equal to 40. Okay. Now, as you can see, you have one variable, and that is b. We can combine the like terms. Okay. So you have b plus 3b. Okay. 1b plus 1b is 2b, plus 3b is 5b, and then plus 5 equals 40. Okay, we're almost home. So let's undo the 5. What's the opposite of plus 5? Okay, the 5 cancels out. 5b is equal to 40 minus 5. Okay, let's get rid of the 5. The opposite of times 5 is divide 5. Divide 5. On both sides, the 5 cancels out. B ultimately is equal to 35 divided by 5. That's our final answer.